Hi, and welcome to a new Whimsy Stamps product reveal. Today I am sharing the Broken Web Slimline Embossing Folder. Now, this embossing folder is so beautiful and perfect for our Halloween season. The embossed image measures just shy of 3.5 by 8.5, which is perfect for those slimline cards, but can be easily adapted for any size projects. I have embossed a white piece of cardstock so you can see that amazing texture you can get on your cardstock. And I also embossed this piece of really thick vellum so you can see how fun that would be as well on some vellum paper. I used that vellum embossed piece on a slimline card along with some other new Whimsy Stamps releases today to create a fun spider and cocoon slimline Halloween card. You can use the links down below to check out the brand new embossing folder and all of the other new released items. Make sure you also head over to our social media, like our Facebook group, where you can find even more inspiration using today's releases. Bye!